going for a boat ride in Alappuzha, so where we will be covering all the places that are possible. So let's continue our trip here. You're watching me on Travel Diaries with me, Priya, and really soon I'll be showing you all around the areas that are possible. So let's have a superb look around. So we are going on the boat and it has almost started. So you can see what I can see around. And this cost around 1000 rupees for 2 hours. We have started at 12:35 p.m. and it will be till 2:35, and I'll be shooting all the places that are important. I'll not be showing the complete location for 2 hours because of a simple human psychology, which I'll be speaking really soon in my coming videos. So yeah, this is actually a boat of Government of Kerala. Yes. Government of Kerala. Here's some official boat. These are the place of business during the early times. Vyaparam. Let's have a look around. So you are watching me on Travel Diaries with Priya, and we will be really soon some place. Let's have a look. So those ripples that you see over there are because of fish that are jumping. We'll see if I can spot some. Could see some, but I couldn't shoot on time. Let's. Bombay people might be used with these skywalks, but in Kerala this is for the first time that I'm seeing. It is for crossing this small lake sort of thing. Basically it is called as some Tod, a connection from the river. In Malayalam is called as Tod. Let's have a look further. And all these are tourist boat, and currently which we are sitting is 1000 rupees for 2 hours, basically 500 rupees per hour. Let's go on. So this is the place. Few minutes ago a small comical experience had happened between me and my parents. We were asking for boat jetty because we got confused and we are not from here. So finally we came to a very famous Malayalam comedy of Mohanlal. I don't know from which movie it is, but the main dialogue is Choi Choi Choga. It's a small boat that is coming opposite to us. I guess it is a traveling boat that is used for local purpose or a tourist boat. Say this. Very common view in the one that you saw right now is the most common view once if you would come to Alleppey backwaters. Basically we are traveling to backwaters. We will be entering a lake and which is known as Punnamadakayal, and that lake is famous for boat races during Onam. So really soon we'll be entering the Punnamada lake, and so we'll start our episode 3 over there. So till then, this is bye bye, see you, and